Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Children, today we are going to learn exercise 3 from the chapter time. In this exercise, we are going to learn the concept use of AM and PM. That is where we have to use AM and where we have to use PM. First, let us learn the time. We know that how many hours are there in one day, children? Yes, we know that one day equals 24 hours. So let us divide 24 hours into two parts. One is from midnight 12 to 12 noon, that is the first part, and from 12 noon to 12 midnight, it is the second part. So listen, after 12 midnight to 12 noon, we have to use the period AM. So after 12 midnight to 12 noon, we are using AM. And here listen, after 12 noon to 12 midnight, we have to use the period PM. Listen, again I will tell you where we should use AM. After 12 midnight. After 12 midnight to 12 noon, we have to use AM, and PM we have to use after 12 noon to 12 midnight. So based on the time, we have to use AM and PM. Now let us use AM and PM in the given times. Look at the second Roman letter. Fill in the blanks with AM or PM. Here look at the given activity and check where you have to use AM and PM. Monu gets up from bed at 6:30. Usually will gets up in the morning. The activity takes place in the morning and the time is 6:30. It is between 12 midnight to 12 noon. So we have to use the period AM here. So Monu gets up from bed at 6:30 AM. Look at the second activity. Amina comes back from school at 3:30. So at evening we all will go back to home. So 3:30 is the time given. So evening it lies between 12 noon to 12 midnight. So we have to use the period PM. Look at the next question. Anand goes to sleep at 9:30. So in the night time we'll go to the bed and it lies between the 12 noon to 12 midnight. So we have to use PM. If it is night time, we have to use the period PM. Anand goes to sleep at 9:30 PM. Look at the next one. Sandhya eats lunch at 12:45. So in the noon time we'll have our lunch and it lies between 12 noon to 12 midnight. So we have to use PM. So it is 12:45 PM. Look at the next. Manpreet goes to the playground at 3:30. So in the evening time most of us will play. We will spend time to play at evening, and it lies between 12 noon to 12 midnight. So 3:30 p.m. It is the evening time given, so we have to use the period p.m. Look at the next Roman letter. We are going to find the time which is given 4 hours after 5:25 p.m. Listen the word, children, after. If after is given, if you want to find out the time which is after, we have to add the given times. So here listen, 5:25 we want to write first. 5:25 p.m. and here this is the hours column and 25 it is the minutes column. So listen, we want to find out 4 hours after 5:25 p.m. So we are going to write 4 below the hours column, 4, and in the minutes place write 0. So if you want to find the after, you have to add. Now let us add the numbers. 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 0, 2, and now add the hours column. 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is 9. So here the period is p.m. So 5:25 after 4 hours, the time is 9:25 p.m. If the time cross 12, we have to change the period, but here it is only 9:25. So use the same period. Answer is 9:25 p.m. Look at the next question. 2 hours before 12 noon. Look at the word before. If you want to find the time before, you have to subtract the given times. After means addition, before means you have to subtract. So here we are going to subtract 12 noon and 2 hours. 12 noon, only hour is given. In minutes place we have to write 0 and 2 hours before. So write 2 in the hours column. Now we can subtract these numbers. So if you subtract 0, you can get again 0. Now look at the hours column. 2 minus 2, it is 0. And here there is no number, write 1 down. So after subtracting the numbers, we can get 10 and we want to write the period. Noon before we will have AM. So the answer is 10 AM. Let us write the answer. 2 hours before 12 noon is 10 AM. So is this clear, children? If you want to find after, you have to add the given time, and before you have to subtract the given time. Let us move to the next question. 30 minutes before 12:30 p.m. So we want to find before. So let us subtract the times. First we want to arrange the given times. 12:30 p.m. and we want to find 30 minutes before. So let us subtract 30 minutes from the time. We are going to write 30 in the minutes column because here 30 minutes is given. Minutes column and hours column. So now we are going to subtract these numbers. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3, sorry, it is 0. And here look at the second time. There is no hour column, so we are going to write 0. 2 minus 0, it is 2, and 1 minus 0, 1. So 30 minutes before 12:30 p.m. is 12. We want to mention the period, right? If you get 12 o'clock exactly, you have to mention noon. It is 12 noon. So the answer is 12 noon. So p.m. before we will have noon, and the noon before will get a.m. Here the 30 minutes before 12:30 p.m. is 12 noon. Here you can leave the minutes and write only the hour. 12 noon also you can write. Look at the next question. 35 minutes after 12 noon. Look at the word after. We want to add 12 noon, that is in hours column 12, and minutes we have to write 0, and we want to find 35 minutes after. So write 35 in the minutes column. In hours place just write 0. Now add the numbers. 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 0, 3, 2 plus 0, 2, and 1 plus 0, it is 1. So if you add the numbers, you can get the time 12 hours and 35 minutes. Listen, afternoon will have the period p.m. So let us write the answer. 35 minutes after 12 noon is 12:35 p.m. Look at the next question. 45 minutes before 12 midnight. So 12 midnight we are going to find before 45 minutes. So 12 we have to write first. It is midnight, so no need to mention a.m. or p.m. And 45 minutes before we are going to find. So write 45 in the minutes column. So we want to find before time. Let us subtract the numbers. Look at the minutes column in the first time. We have 0. We cannot subtract 45 from 0. So we are going to borrow from the hours column. So if you borrow 1, it becomes 11. And when you borrow 1 hour, when it comes to the minute column, we can get 60 minutes, because 1 hour equal 60 minutes. So here we have only 0. 60 plus 0, it is 60. So let us write the number 60 here. And now we are going to subtract 45 from 60. Again here we have 0 and 5. We cannot subtract this. So we are going to borrow from the minutes column itself. 6 becomes 5 and the 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 5, it is 5. 5 minus 4, 1. And now look at the hours column. In first place we have 11, and in the second place we have only 0. So 11 minus 0, it is 11. So 45 minutes before 12 midnight is 11:15. Before midnight will have the period p.m. So 45 minutes before 12 midnight is 11:15 p.m. You must mention whether it is a.m. or p.m. in the answer. Look at the next one. 30 minutes after 11:30 a.m. So after is given, so we are going to add the given times. First let us arrange the numbers. 11:30 a.m. and 30 minutes after we are going to find out. So write 30 in the minutes column, 0 in the hours column. Let us write. Let us add the numbers. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 3 plus 3, 6. And in the hours place, 1 plus 0, 1. Again 1 plus 1 plus 0, it is 1. So if you add the given numbers, you can get 11 hours and 60 minutes. Children, in the minutes column we can have till 59. When it comes to 60 or 60 and above, we have to convert the minutes into hours. We know that 1 hour equal 60 minutes. So here we have 60 minutes. So we are going to convert into 1 hour. So here we have 11 hours already. So we are going to add 1 hour with that 11. 11 hour plus 1 hour, that is equal 12 hours. So here we got the number exactly 12. And here the period AM is given. AM after will have noon. So we have to write the answer 12 noon. So 30 minutes after 11:30 a.m. is 12 noon. Is it clear, children? The word after is given, you have to add. If before is given, you have to subtract and mention whether it is AM or PM in the answer. Is the concept clear, children? We'll see you in the next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.